Hi, my name is Jerwin Garancia, a Bachelor of Science in Information System, graduate of Guimaras State College, now a University Batch 2022. At present, I am working as admin staff in Customer Support Department here in Jollibee Worldwide Services Logistics here in Parañaque City. My work includes daily monitoring of store unserved orders, daily monitoring of store orders and deliveries, and sending advisory like advance ordering, advance delivery, notice of delay, and late orders. Also, we do inbound and outbound calls. For inbound calls, most concern that we are encountered is follow-up deliveries and also for tracking of our delivery personnel. In terms of growth, I am grateful to Guimaras State University because it serves as an initial platform where I begin to understand myself, my interest, and my capabilities. The influence of College of Science and Technology on my professional growth is that I was able to enhance my skills, especially in computer skills. As a customer support, I was able to apply all my knowledge that I have been learned when I was in college, and also to be a multitask and to work under pressure. My advice to Guimaras State University students, especially College of Science and Technology students, is to never pressure yourself. Balaan naton guys nga gaka-pressure kita kay gaka-problema kita kung ano ang dungtan naton sa ulihi pag magpangita na kita obra. Ang ma-advise ko lang is continue tala kung ano ang ginaobra ta sa buong mag-focus kita sa pag-eskwela kag maabot kita nga maka-obra kita sa ulihi. Balaan ta nga kita may gina-face nga problems, gaka-struggle kita sa aton nga pag-eskwela, pero salig lang kita sa kagalingon ta kag hindi tagid pagkalimtan nga mag-pray. Syempre ang mga pinaka-importante magpasalamat kita kung ano ang may ara kita, hindi natin pagpabayaan ang aton nga pag-eskwela kag maging thankful man kita sa aton nga mga instructor kay tungod sa ila ang mga ginatudlo nila sa aton ma-apply tagid na magpangita kita sa obra sa uli kag padayon lang kita guys. Wala na. Thank you so much.